Bet you ain't know that I be checking you out when you be putting your heels on. I swear your body's so perfect, baby. How you work it, baby, yeah. Woo. I love the way that you be poking it out. Girl, give me something to feel on.
If you had one thing to tell me right now, what would you say?
Literally.
I'm a skeet, all the niggas gonna catch me, and that's my best friend, my best friend, go best friend.
She got paid and she don't know how to act. Grocery shopping. What are you buying, babe?
It's just fire thing.
Do a trick, yeah, on the dick, yeah. You claiming you want a fish, yeah, that ain't it, she tag. Let me put the money, yeah, on that.
Oh, fucking shit. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Babe! Oh, God. Oh. What?
Baby.
I don't know. Oh, it's hurting me.
Where are you bleeding from?
My throat.
You wanna go to the hospital?
Yeah, it's fucking hurt. It's burning me. It started burning me in the fucking shower.
Come, put on some. Here.
Oh.
Babe. Oh my god, I thought you were fucking with me.
No. It's fucking burning
Let me
me.
see, open your mouth.
Hard.
Try to open your mouth.
I feel like my mouth is numb.
Try to put on the roof. Babe.
I can't feel my tongue.
Babe, come on, put on your other one.
Oh my god. But first you have to look over here because it's a prank. You gotta admit that I got your ass. I got your ass, right? Come over here.
You fucking did.
Damn, I'm a good actor. What you gotta say for the family?
Oh, you're trying to put your fucking underwear?
She's trying to put my underwear on and I'm over here trying to keep an act. Oh my god, look. Got your ass. So guys, it's the next day now and Marcela still can't get over the fact that she just got punked yesterday. I couldn't actually record this part of the video yesterday because we were on our way to the store and it all happened so fast. It was a fast prank, but I still got her ass. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe because we've been lacking on this page of ours.
It was true. Because you were fucking crying for real, but
I'm a good actor though.
I didn't know how to
You gotta
act.
admit. She was actually trying to put on my underwear, saying if we could go to the hospital, if I wanted to go to the hospital. Oh, here still trying to put up an act, and yeah, I got her ass. Right, baby? Right?
Yeah. I was thinking about calling the ambulance.
But then what you
But
said?
then I thought about it. I was like, hell nah, the bill's gonna be so high. I'll just drive.
But yeah, it was something fast, something unplanned that I had just thought about while I was showering, and we'll be back with more videos.